Hi guys, it's Ron. How you doing? Today is a quick video on people running into problems with their computers. Whether it's Bluetooth issue with your headphones, crackling audio, problems with USB ports not working properly, or programs not responding properly. There's a simple solution that will work 9 times out of 10. And it's as simple as restart your computer. Not turn it down, shut it down, and turn it back on. Restart the computer. Reboot or restart the computer, and 9 times out of 10, that will solve your problems. If it doesn't, after a reboot, go onto YouTube and do a search for your specific problem, and you'll find you should find a solution. So just a quick video today on a tip for people running computers that are having problems. A simple reboot or restart will solve your problems. Take care. Have a good day. God bless. Bye.